What do your dreams mean to you? Do they mean giving it one more shot? Stop by Ron Hoover of Laredo, Texas, and let's take that last shot. Make sure to ask for Albert.